A non-compete agreement prohibiting an employee from competing with his or her employer after leaving the employer's place of employment is generally only enforceable if the agreement protects the employer's legitimate business interests. In Rem Metals versus Logan, the Oregon Supreme Court considered whether an employer had a protectable business interest in the skills, knowledge, and experience that an employee had obtained while working for the employer. Rem Metals produced precision titanium castings and sold the castings to Pratt and Whitney Aircraft Division for use in jet aircraft engines. Rem was only one of 3 companies that sold such castings. The other companies were Rem's main competitor, Precision Castparts, and a smaller Michigan company. During production, defective castings were repaired by welders who were certified to work with Pratt and Whitney. Also, Rem was known in the industry for shipping the castings ahead of schedule and with fewer rejected parts than its competitors. In 1969, Rem hired Forrest Logan as an employee. At his previous job, Logan had learned to weld titanium electrodes. Rem required Logan to sign 2 employment contracts that contained non-compete clauses. The clauses stated that Logan wouldn't engage in any business that competed with Rem within the United States for 1 year after his employment ended. 3 years later, Logan started working in Rem's welding department and quickly became one of 3 welders certified to work on the castings for Pratt and Whitney. But in 1976, Logan requested a 50 cents per hour wage increase, which Rem refused. Logan later received a job offer from Precision for the wage increase he asked for and quit his job at Rem. Subsequently, Rem sued Logan in State Circuit Court in equity to enforce the non-compete agreements. At a hearing, Rem offered evidence that it couldn't ship castings worth roughly $25,000 to Pratt and Whitney 2 weeks after Logan left because it didn't have enough certified welders. The Circuit Court enjoined Logan from performing welding work in Oregon for Precision for 6 months. Logan appealed to the Oregon Supreme Court.